Good morning to all of you. Today we are discuss about the some example of hybridization and their geometry. After that we study about the covalent character in ionic compound with the help of Khajan rule. After that we study about the dipole moment. Now here example of hybridization state and their geometry. We use steering numbers. This is a method. We calculate the value of x, and with the help of x we know about the hybridization and their geometry parallel here. X equal to 1 by 2 s plus v minus q, where s is the number of monovalent surrounding atoms, monovalent, divalent and trivalent, that element exists in number 1, that is a monovalent valency, that is a monovalence. Now V is the number of valency electron, number of valence electron in the central atoms. In this case, structure of ClO3. Now S half S. Here S is the number of monovalent surrounding atoms. Here surrounding atoms is oxygen. As we know that lesser atoms in the central atoms, so that O3 is the surrounding atoms, and number of monovalent but it is a divalent exists in O2, so that value of S equal to 0, and V is the number of valency electron, chlorine valency electron of central atoms, valence electron. Now chlorine is the central atom, and it valency electron means the number of electron that exist in outermost shell, that is known as valence electron. So that this is a 7, and Q is the charge on molecule with sign चिन्ह के साथ. This is a -1, so that this is a +8, and 1 by 2 4. 4 is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization, according to this may be tetrahedral होना चाहिए, लेकिन it has lone pair, so that lone pair don't count in the structure, so that its structure will be pyramidal. Second, structure of ClO4. Here S is equal to 0 and V is equal to 7. This is a -1 4. sp3 hybridization it is, because X is equal to 4, sp3 hybridization, and it is a tetrahedral because chlorine has 7 electron, 2 to 4 to 6, 1 7 electron, and connect with oxygen, so that its name is structure is tetrahedral. Now structure of Hc xenon oxide. In this case, X is equal to X is xenon is the central atoms, and this is the surrounding atoms. this is a surrounding atoms. S, number of monovalent, this is a divalent, so S equal to 0, and valence electron of xenon is 8 and charge is 0, so that 4 sp3 hybridization, and this here Xe, this is a lone pair, this is a sp3 hybridization. Now structure of xenon OF4 here, X equal to 1 by 2 and central atom X, and this is the surrounding atoms. The central atom X and this is the surrounding atoms, so that S is equal to 4 and central atom that is 8 and charge is 0, so that 12 divided by 2 6, sp3 d2 6, sp3 d2 sp3 d2. This structure is such type, but here 2 1 3 4 5 6 and 2 8. Xenon, valence electron of xenon is 8, but here is a lone pair. ऑक्टाहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए, लेकिन लोन पेयर को स्ट्रक्चर में काउंट नहीं करते हैं, इसलिए इसका शेप जो स्क्वायर पिरामिड होगा, इसका शेप स्क्वायर पिरामिड होगा सच टाइप ऑफ दिस, क्योंकि लोन पेयर डोंट काउंट इन द स्ट्रक्चर एंड इसका शेप जो है स्क्वायर पिरामिड होगा. एंड नेक्स्ट now structure of FeO2 F2. Now we calculate the stirring number X equal to 1 by 2 S plus V minus Q. S plus V. S is the number of monovalent surrounding atoms. Monovalent surrounding atoms is F, and so that S equal to 2, and number of valence electron in the central atom that is Xe equal to 8 minus charge 0, so that it is 5. 5 means sp3d1 hybridizations, and the structure will be such type 2 to 4 2 to 4 to 6 and 2 8. It has 2 LP lone pair, and in the structure we don't consider the lone pair, so that this structure becomes this, and shape of this is SOC-SA types. This structure is SOC types. Now we discuss the covalent character in an ionic compound, the Fajan rule. Now, covalent characters in an ionic bond. Fajan rule: any compound don't 100% ionic not 100% covalent. Now, फाजान रूल, फाजान महोदय द्वारा दिया गया रूल है जो है, इसके आधार पर कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर इन आयनिक बॉन्ड में हम लोग कैलकुलेट करते हैं, बल्कि तुलना करते हैं, कंपैरिजन करते हैं. हियर दिस इज कैटायन एंड दिस इज द एनायन. इलेक्ट्रॉन are the surrounding the atoms in form of a cloud, and this is a cation. After this is a negative electron, this is a proton, positive. Due to this electron cloud shift such type of this electron cloud shape for this. This is a sharing of electrons. Now in an ionic bond, positively charged cation attract the electron cloud of anion toward itself. Due to this attraction force, the electron cloud of anion get distortion such type of this distortion is in electron cloud is called polarizations. This is called the polarizations. Shape of this electron convert into this. This is the distortion of electron is known as polarization. Due to polarization, there is a partial sharing of electron. The cation and anion partially sharing. Due to this, some covalent character introduced in the ionic compound. Due to this, some characters introduced in the ionic compounds. Now, polarizing power, the ability of cation to distort the electron cloud of anion. It means that polarizing power is proportional to polarizations. ये आपका टाइम जितना अधिक इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड को डिस्ट्रॉय करेगा उतना ही उसका जो है पोलराइजेशन होगा. Polarizability, the tendency of electron cloud of anion to get distorted is called the polarizability. जितना ही इलेक्ट्रॉन इस टाइप से डिस्टार्ट होगा उसी को हम लोग polarizability कहेंगे. This polarizability is proportional to the polarizations. Now we study the covalent characters in ionic compounds. Depends on the following here. Now the covalent character in an ionic bond can be explained on the basis of Pajan rule. Now, according to this rule, size of cation covalent character Cc. This is a covalent character in proportional to polarizations. As covalent character is proportional to polarization, inversely proportional to 1 by size. It means that जिसका साइज छोटा होगा कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर ज्यादा होगा, साइज बड़ा होगा कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर कम होगा. Here compare the covalent character lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride and rubidium chloride. Here lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Size lithium, sodium, potassium as move top to down, their size increases. So that size increases and size is inversely proportional to covalent character. So that covalent character is lithium chloride is greater than sodium chloride, greater than potassium chloride, greater than rubidium chloride. This is our answer. Next, size of cation covalent character is proportional to polarization, that is charge on cations. It means that जिसका चार्ज अधिक होगा उसका जो है कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर अधिक होगा। NaCl, MgCl2, AlCl3, here cation सोडियम cation है magnesium +2 aluminium +3, so that Al3 plus this the compound made by this is high covalent character in comparison to this, so that AlCl3 is greater covalent character in comparison to magnesium chloride greater NaCl. This is our answer. Now size of anion negative charge covalent character is proportional to polarization, that is proportional size of anion sodium chloride NaCl, NaBr and NaI. Here chloride, bromide, iodide, this is the anion, and chloride, bromide, we move top to bottom, their size increases, so that covalent character increases. So this is a sodium chloride is less than sodium chloride, less than sodium bromide, and less than sodium iodide. Now we take charge on. Now charge on anion covalent character is proportional to polarization, proportional to charge on anion. Anion is negative charge. Here example magnesium chloride, magnesium oxide and magnesium nitride. Now negative charge ClO and anion, so that Cl is -1, O -2 and -3, and covalent character is proportional to anion. More anion that have more covalent characters, so that covalent character of MgCl2 less than MgO less than Mg3N2. Now next configuration of cation. The cation which have 18 electrons in their outermost shell being about more polarization than the cation having 8 electrons in their outermost shell. Here pseudo inert gas in which the 18 electron in outermost shell and inert gas 8 electron. Let us suppose that A and B are the two elements. A has 18 proton, 18 electron, B has 8 proton and 8 electron. Now we take example copper chloride and sodium chloride. Sodium electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. 1 is removed, so form the sodium ion 1s2, 2s2, 2, 6, 6 to 8 to 6 to 8, 8 electron in the outermost shell here that form the sodium ion, and copper chloride 3s2, 3p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 here that is this. If one electron removed and form the copper cation, and this has 3s2, 3p6, 3p10. Outermost valence shell has 18 electron in outermost shell, so that covalent characters that formed by copper is greater than this, so that copper covalent character of copper chloride is greater than sodium chloride. And now application of Pajan rule. Here thermal stability of compounds. We compare the thermal stability of compounds with the help of Pajan rule. Thermal stability is proportional to ionic character and inversely proportional to 1 by here 1 by covalent character. We take an example BeCO3, beryllium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate, and strontium carbonate. Here we take the cation CO3 is common. We take the cation beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium. In this case, we go from top to bottom. Here size of beryllium is less than magnesium, also less than calcium, also less than strontium, so that the covalent character of beryllium carbonate is greater than magnesium carbonate, greater than calcium carbonate, and greater than strontium carbonate, so that this covalent character and thermal stability is reciprocal to each other, so that barium carbonate is either greater than, so that less than magnesium carbonate, less than calcium carbonate, less than strontium carbonate. This is our actual result. Now melting point. It is only depend on the lattice energy. We take an example lithium chloride, sodium chloride, and potassium chloride. So that covalent character of lithium chloride is greater than sodium chloride, greater than potassium chloride. Now the melting point is proportional to lattice energy, and here lattice energy of lithium chloride is greater than this, so that melting point is proportional to lattice energy, so that melting point is lithium greater than sodium chloride, greater than potassium chloride. Now solubility of waters. Here ionic compound are soluble in water, and covalent compound less soluble are insoluble in water. Now lithium chloride, sodium, potassium chloride, and rubidium chloride. Covalent character of lithium chloride is greater than sodium chloride, greater than potassium chloride, and greater than rubidium chloride. So the solubility here covalent character and less soluble या insoluble. Now soluble will be lithium chloride is less than sodium chloride, less than potassium chloride, and less than rubidium chloride, because the covalent character here covalent, according to covalent characters, lithium chloride is greater than sodium chloride, and so on. Now we take this example lithium chloride, sodium chloride, and potassium chloride. According to the Pajan rule, lithium chloride is less soluble than sodium chloride, less soluble than potassium chloride, but in nature it is wrong, and it explained according to the hydration energy. Now actual solubility is lithium chloride is greater than sodium chloride and potassium chloride. Now we study about the polar and non-polar covalent bond. Now polar and non-polar covalent bond. Polar covalent bond, the bond formed between two atoms which have large difference in electronegativity is called polar bond. For example, carbon and chlorine, see carbon or nitrogens, due to polarizations, partial positive and negative charge develop the compounds having polar bond are known as polar compounds. Now non-polar covalent bond. The covalent bond formed between two similar atoms is called the non-polar covalent bond, and the compounds having non-polar covalent bond are known as non-polar compound. For example, codeine, hydrogen. Here in this case, there is the small, very small, slightly difference between the electronegativity, so that it forms the non-polar bond. Now, after that, we study about the dipole moment in the next videos. Now, like and subscribe videos and share with your friends. Thank you.